Welcome to Santorini, Greece, a breathtaking island located in the heart of the Aegean Sea. With its picturesque beaches, charming villages, and rich cultural heritage, Santorini is a destination that should be on everyone's travel list. In this video, we'll show you why this stunning island should be your next vacation spot. Relaxing on the black sand beaches. Santorini is known for its stunning beaches, and the black sand beaches are a must-visit. With crystal clear waters and unique volcanic sand, they are the perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. Exploring the villages. Santorini is home to charming villages with whitewashed buildings and blue-domed churches that are postcard perfect. Take a stroll through the winding streets of Fira, or Pyrgos, and discover the local shops, cafes, and restaurants. Enjoying the local cuisine. Greek cuisine is world-renowned, and Santorini's local delicacies are no exception. From fresh seafood to traditional Greek dishes like moussaka and souvlaki, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to try the local wines too. Santorini produces some of the best wines in Greece. Taking a boat tour. For a unique perspective of the island, take a boat tour around the Caldera. You'll get to see the famous white and blue domes of Santorini from the water, as well as the volcanic landscape and hot springs. Watching the sunset in Oya. One of the most iconic experiences in Santorini is watching the sunset in Oya. As the sun sets over the Caldera, the sky turns shades of orange, pink, and purple, a truly magical moment that you won't forget. So there you have it, the beauty of Santorini, Greece in a nutshell. Whether you're looking for stunning scenery, delicious food, charming villages, or relaxation, Santorini has it all. We hope this video has inspired you to plan your next vacation to this idyllic island. Thank you for watching.